Okay, when you have your hole in your popsicle stick, you can thread it with the cord and do about a doubled arm's length of cord. If you make it too long, it's very hard to work with. So it's better to just do about a double an arm's length, and then you can just keep tying on new pieces as you go. Okay, so what we'll do is we want to start from underneath and put the popsicle stick under one of the braid pieces and pull it all the way through and tie a knot. I like to use a square knot. It's a tight knot. And so you take the loose end and you go over that, you go over this other end, the one that isn't loose, and then you go over again, and that will make a square knot, and that's a good way to start it. And then turn your rug over so the knot is in the back, and then we'll come up on the other side. On the other side we're going to go down, and so you just grab a bit of the one strand of the braid and pull through, and then go to the other side and come up. So on one side you're going down, from the top down, and then from the other side you're going from the bottom up. And you're just grabbing one strand of the braid and then move down to the next one, and then come up through this one. Okay? And as you go, you're going to pull it tight. You want to keep tightening it. And just keep going along like this. This is a great project for, especially where you're not using the needle and thread. You're weaving with the twine like this. This is a great project for a bunch of girls to make like a friendship rug where they collect old jeans and they work together to cut the strips, and then they work together to build a rug for their room.